Is Guwahati facing a garbage disposal crisis? Why are mounds of garbage seen dumped on roadsides after cleaning of drain? Does the GMC have any solution in mind to deal with this eyesore? Well, let's have a look at this report from Guwahati brought to you by Joydeep Hazarika. Guwahati, the largest city in the northeast, which is growing at a rapid pace, is not just the gateway to the region, but is also a bustling metropolis. With rapid growth and urbanization, the problem of garbage waste management is an issue that's long been plaguing the residents of the city. While authorities have been working hard to take care of garbage lying about in different parts of the city, several roads and lanes in the city are witnessing small dumps of garbage lying about by the roadside, being not just an eyesore for onlookers but also increasing the risk of diseases and compromising hygiene altogether. Our colleague Joydeep Hazarika visited some areas in Guwahati where the problem of garbage dumps lying by the roadside continues to persist. Most of these are garbage which have been cleared from drains but have been kept on the roadside even as residents wait for the authorities to clear them as well.
We're now standing here in Chhatribari locality of Guwahati. This particular lane where we are at, this is the old post office lane, and the issue of faulty waste management is quite evident here. As you can see behind me, there are small trails of garbage being left on the side of the road. Now, as per the locals who we talked to, these garbage were left here today morning as people from the GMC came. They cleaned up the drain, they pulled up this garbage, but as my cameraman can show you from right ahead, at certain intervals there are small dumps of garbage which includes plastic wastage and bottles and other such stuff. But unfortunately the thing is that these garbage, even though the locals tell us that the GMC people, when questioned, they say that the garbage would be picked up in a matter of 1 or 2 days, but it always takes a longer time than that. Garbage, in spite of a lot of effort by the government to ensure that the city looks presentable to all the tourists and all the people who come from outside, these little dumps of garbage which are heaped in all different parts of the city in small quantities, definitely they present as an eyesore for everyone.
আজি জাবৰ উঠাব আহিছিলে, উঠাই পেলাই থৈ গৈছে, বাৰু এইটো শুকালে লৈ যাব বোলে, কিন্তু কেতিয়া লৈ যায় ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ আমি এইটো। তাৰপিছত আপোনাৰ আজি ইলেকশ্যনৰ দিন, ঠিক আছে ইলেকশ্যনৰ দিন অহা নাই, তাৰো ভোট দিয়া অধিকাৰ আছে বুলি অহা নাই, যোৱাকালি অহা নাই, ঠিক আছে এদিন ৰেষ্ট লৈ, আজিতো আহিব লাগিছিল ন, আজিও নাহে। এনেকুৱা কি অৱস্থা জাবৰৰ, মেকুৰী কুকুৰ টানি চানি বেয়া কৰি দিয়ে, ৰাস্তাৰ অৱস্থা বেয়া কৰি, ক'লেও মানুহ বেয়া পায়, এনেকুৱা ৰাস্তাৰ দুৰৱস্থা যায়, দুৰ্গন্ধ ওলাই থাকে, মানে এনেকুৱা গোন্ধত মানুহ যাব নোৱাৰে, এনেকুৱা অৱস্থা। মানে পৌৰ নিগমৰ কাম যি দেখা পাইছোঁ অলপ হেলা হৈ আছে,
আৰু এই বৰষুণ দিলেতো চাগে চিঞ্চা আৰু বেয়া,
আৰু মানে বোকা হৈ যায়, মানে ঘিণ লগা পৰিস্থিতি হয়।
Okay, we're now here at the Lachit Nagar locality in Guwahati, which is one of the prime locations in this city. Now, as you can see, right next to me is a dump of garbage. Now, we are not sure from how long this garbage has been lying here. Obviously, it doesn't look fresh. It is quite possible that it has been here for at least a couple of days. But the thing is that in here, this Lachit Nagar road, which is regarded as one of the busiest and arterial routes for the people of Guwahati. A lot of commuters take this road. You can see garbage lying here at this particular point, and this is not the only point. There are also other points ahead, a few points where garbage are lying here. You can see that right here is a drain. It is quite possible that GMC workers came here. They cleared up these 2 dumps of garbage from that drain, but still quite a lot of garbage remains in that drain as well. So now it begs the question as to why this garbage has been left here just by the side of the road.
म्यूनसिपलिटी का आदमी हर 15 दिन में एक बार आते रहता है, वो इस नाला साफ करने के लिए। लेकिन इस नाला साफ करने के बाद वो लोग जो जबड़ा है ना, जबड़ा लेते नहीं, जबड़ा 1 दिन बाद लेते हैं। तो क्या होता है, बारिश आने से या तो कोई गाड़ी उड़ी जाने से दो बार वो गाड़ी में या नाली में गिर जाते हैं। तो ये तो बात तो एक ही हुआ। अब आज सब क्या दोबारा ऊपर गिर गया नाली में, तो वो उठाता है, लेकिन 2 दिन बाद, 1 दिन बाद, 48 घंटा बाद, 24 घंटा बाद उठाते हैं। ये बात यही है। नहीं तो क्या है, हम लोग के पास यहाँ से लेके जाता है जबड़ा। अगर आज रात को बारिश हुआ, अभी बारिश का सीजन है, कोई भरोसा है नहीं बारिश का, तो कल अगर किसी कारण से बारिश आ गया तो फिर वो दोबारा जाकर नाली में गिरेगा। या तो देखिए रास्ता छोटा है बहुत, गाड़ी आते जाते रहता है, वो गाड़ी का ये से वो नाली में गिर जाता है।
There is no doubt that the authorities in Guwahati, especially the Guwahati Municipal Corporation, are making efforts to clear garbage from different parts of the city as well as repair certain drains which are essential for the flow of drainage water and wastewater across the city. However, the unscientific method in which authorities are tackling garbage disposal in Guwahati is also negatively impacting the city's water bodies. Rivers like the Bhorolu and lakes like the Borsorabil are reeling under rampant pollution and garbage dumping.
We are now standing here on this bridge over the Bhorolu River here at the Tarunnagar locality in Guwahati. When we talk about garbage and pollution afflicting the roads and lanes of Guwahati, many often tend to overlook the rivers. Here, let's take a look at this, at the site at the Bhorolu River, polluted to such a degree that no one can even set a foot in the filthy, polluted river waters. And on top of that, you have loads of garbage just floating on the river, just lying dormant. This presents a very sorry picture of the water bodies in Guwahati. Bhorolu is one of the main rivers which flows within the city limits of Guwahati, and today, unfortunately, rampant pollution and garbage dumping has reduced it to a dirty drain. If we talk of the situation of garbage disposal, the sorry sight of garbage dump in Guwahati, then we also cannot overlook the situation of the Bhorolu River and also the other water bodies, including the Borsalabil.
সাফা কৰে মিউনিচিপালিটি গাড়ীও আহে, মিউনিচিপালিটি গাড়ীত মানুহে নিদিয়ে যাবৰ, দি পেলাই ইয়াতে ৰাস্তাৰ ওপৰত পেলাই থৈ যায়।
ইয়াৰ পৰা যাব উঠোৱা কোনো মানে ব্যৱস্থা নকৰে নেকি?
ইয়াৰ পৰা নাই, যাবৰ তেনেকৈ নুঠায় সিহঁতে, কেতিয়াবা উঠায় কেতিয়াবা নুঠায়। চাওক, প্ৰশাসনে দায়িত্বতকৈ আমাৰ দায়িত্ব বেছি। প্ৰশাসনেতো ফাইন কটাৰ বাহিৰে বেলেগ উপায় নাই। আৰু আমি যদি নিজে যদি ইয়াতে জাবৰখিনি ভৰলুত পেলাওঁ, ভৰলু চাফা কৰি আছে, মাছৰ জাবৰা আনিও যদি মাছৰ জাবৰাখিনিও তাতে পেলাওঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে ভৰলু বা এইখিনি চাফা কৰি কিবা লাভ আছে নেকি?
While there is no doubt that the authorities have to take a different approach altogether when it comes to garbage management in Guwahati, the onus also lies with the citizens who need to take care that they do not throw garbage on roads or water bodies. The need of the hour is a different approach for managing garbage disposal in the city, as things can get rather messy once the monsoons arrive full blast.
A bustling metropolis like Guwahati is witnessing an almost unscientific method of tackling the garbage waste in the city. Throughout the course of the day, Team Northeast Live visited several places in Guwahati where we witnessed small heaps of garbage being strewn along the sides of the road. Now, what Guwahati used to see several years back was huge dumps of garbage on sides of the road, but that is not the case. So, while the authorities are putting in effort to clean large dumps of garbage, most of the roads and bylanes in the city are seeing the small dumps of garbage are still dotting of the roads, which is definitely an eyesore when it comes to the beauty of the city. Guwahati, which aims to be a smart city, is however facing the problem of following what we can call an unscientific way of garbage waste disposal. We have also noticed that the impact of this poor garbage management in several parts of Guwahati is also impacting the water bodies. When we visited the Bhorolu River as well as the Borsalabil Lake in Guwahati, we saw how garbage dumping and pollution has impacted these water bodies of the city in a negative way. So the need of the hour is a scientific method of garbage disposal management in Guwahati. With camera person Brajan Haloy, this is Joydeep Hazarika for Northeast Live.
All right, now I'm being joined live with my colleague Joydeep Hazarika. So, Joydeep, you visited many of the localities in Guwahati today where you found out garbage is lying on the streets of Guwahati. Well, this is a common problem on the streets of Guwahati. So, Joydeep, does the GMC has any long-term solution for this?
See, Priya, right now what the problem at ground is that GMC workers, they come to these certain areas and they clean up the drains on the side of the roads and the lanes, and from the drains the garbage is picked up and then it is kept on the side of the road. Now, locals told us that when GMC workers are questioned as to when would the garbage would be taken away from the roadside, they said that it would be done in a span of 1 or 2 days. However, that is not the case, because it sometimes takes several days, and in fact it often even takes more than a week. And until that time, that garbage remains on the side of the road, giving stench, and also it compromises the hygiene and exposes the locals to diseases as well. So keeping these things in mind, it is high time that a new approach is taken to tackle the garbage menace in Guwahati. Because see, earlier, many years back, Guwahati huge dumps of garbage in certain parts of the city, but compared to that, we have to admit it that the garbage scenario in Guwahati is not as acute as it was back in the day. Today, you will not see huge dumps of garbage lying here and there in the city. In fact, the Guwahati Municipal Corporation is taking a lot of effort to clean up garbages from at least the main areas in the city. You will see that you'll see that that not a lot of garbage is there in main areas of the city or in the big road areas. In fact, GMC workers go on a daily cycle to collect garbage from various localities. So keeping these things in mind, these issues of small dumps of garbage lying strewn on the roadside is something more is something that needs a different approach. This cannot be resolved with the usual approach that GMC is taking to tackle the huge garbage dumps. Also, we have to remember that the onus lies with the citizens also. In spite of, we have seen in several places where, in spite of dustbins being provided, citizens do not dump their garbage in those dustbins, but instead they throw it on the road or into the water bodies. The river Bhoralu and the Borsalabil Lake in Guwahati are prime examples of this, where garbage is just floating on the water, and the water has become filthy because of the wastewater flowing into these natural water bodies. Now it is also imperative upon the authorities that the preservation of the natural water bodies of Guwahati has also to be done along with managing the garbage. So basically, it is high time that the plastic waste in garbages must be done away. That there can there can be waste, that there can be a recycling of this waste, and especially for plastic waste, they can be incinerated. But that is something the GMC has to take a long-term issue.
Joydeep Hazarika, thank you so much for all those details.